Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Jeep JL switch panel with CB mount from Autometer, which is perfect for that trail rider who is looking for a better mounting option for switches and a CB. As a Jeep JL owner, the factory storage tray really has no use for me, and items typically slide right out of it. So this mounting option gives that space function and keeps switches convenient. Rather than having to make room for multiple switches or different mounts, this mount from Autometer is the best of both worlds. It has room for a mini CB radio and 4 switches, plus it has a storage cubby for your phone or smaller items. Unlike some mounts, this one does not require any drilling or damaging to the interior. Installation is super straightforward and held in place with hook and loop tape. You will end up spending way more time on wiring and installing the switches than the actual mount. Like other Autometer products, the Jeep JL switch panel with CB mount has a 12-month limited warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Jeep JL switch panel with CB mount from Autometer. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.